Hello, welcome to my daily earnings. Today I want to show you guys how my earnings is going so far and my new online way of earning. You understand? As you can see from my account dashboard, I have a problem on my earning. Yesterday I was only able to earn $0.91.91 because of what? My account is on ad limits. Can you imagine? Google has placed me on ad limits. You can see for yourself the email they sent to me. Ad limit placed on your Admob account. So this thing was placed on Sunday. Say hello, who said that the find valid activity concern your Admob account. As a result, we have introduced ad limit on your account. And so Google has placed ad limits on my account. Me that always earn close to $30-something every day. See what I now earning. 0.1. My ass are no longer showing as usual. Today, see what I've earned so far today. This is 1 p.m. See, 1:51, 7 December. See what I've earned since morning, 0.16 cents. Admob, I don't know what they are doing to developers like us. And I set my phone as a test device. So I use my phone as a test device. You know, the issue started on Sunday when I released one app on Play Store. So when that app went live, I said let me go to Play Store and install that app and see if the advertisements are showing the way I want them to show and the rest. Since my phone is a test device, it shouldn't I shouldn't have any issue now of having ad limits or invalid traffic problem because I already set my phone as a test device. But when I did that, man, Google immediately sent me a message of invalid traffic. But I've been thinking, why? Because other apps I used to release, I always go online on Play Stores, install them and see how my apps are going, how the app is working and its future without having any issue. But on Sunday, God, I was so traumatized. It pains me a lot. I have a lot of financial obligations. How will I cope now? This is the only way I earn money online. How will I cope? What will I do? I started to think, God, give me a way. I said, okay, when one road closes, another road should open. You understand? So I said, let me try what we call IQ option, like binary option. You understand? Because I've been using this I've tried this binary option before. It did not work out for me. You understand? I tried it before, it didn't work. So recently I said let me try it again. So I deposited money inside it. So I will show you guys. Since I deposited money with the strategy I'm using, I've been very much profitable. I'm making like today I made up to 5-point-something pounds because my account is in pounds. So I made around 5-point-something pounds in my today's trade using IQ option. So I'll show you guys. My network is kind of slow. It's not allowing me to connect to the platform. Let me show you guys how my earning in this binary option trading is going. Okay, you can see this is my new online way of earning. You understand? I now say let me switch to binary option using IQ option as my broker. So from my trading history, you can see for yourself. Today being 7 December, I made a trade with $1. I profited 0.86. I made another trade. I profited 1.6 pounds. I made another trade. I profited 3. So this is my trading for today. I placed 3 trades. So I made 0.6 plus 1.6 plus 3. So I made around 5 pounds today trading binary option. You understand? Yesterday too, I made a trade. It's 6 December. Yesterday I made a trade. I profited. I made a trade yesterday. I lost. I won. So I won 3 trades yesterday and lost only 1 yesterday. So I profited yesterday. If you might not, because I was trading 1 pounds yesterday. So if you might not £1 plus my profit, I made a profit yesterday, and today too I made a profit. So I pray that this my new online way of trading will be a savior for me now, because Google Admob, what they are doing to we developers is not good. You know, they're always placing us on ad limits every time. So we need another alternative of earning online. I need another alternative. So I believe that this method is going to work. So in my upcoming videos, I'll be showing you guys how I was able to place these particular trades you are seeing. You understand? In my upcoming videos, I will show you guys. I use a strategy called Toji. Yeah, look at it. This is the threads. That one I profited at 3 pounds. You can see for yourself. I place it here. I place the thread here, and the thing close here. So I profited plus 3. This was the trade. I took a snapshot. So I use a strategy called Toji. This is the doji candlesticks. So since there is a Toji here, so anything moves up, so that means it's gonna go up. So that is the strategy I use in making this placing this my trades and profiting. So I will also be showing you guys live trading sessions in this my IQ option. So like this my video, subscribe to my channel, because I'll be showing you guys how I was able to place this trade live and made this money that you are seeing. You understand? So like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.